In this clip, we're going to be talking about the tools that are required in order to install a sliding glass door lock. Most of your sliding glass doors, if not all of them, are going to be made of aluminum. However, you'll find a few of the doors like Pella that are made of nylon plastic. For all those, you'll want to use just a standard drill to drill through those. This is a 3/8 inch chuck. You won't need to go any larger than that. If you have a larger one, it won't hurt. But you are trying to get into a small space on the side of the door. So the smaller the drill, the better. You'll want an 1/8 inch drill bit. Some locks may use a larger drill bit, but you'll just need to check on the packaging. Most of them use an 1/8 inch. You'll want a standard tape measure. Any tape measure will do to measure the holes. A punch is really handy to punch the holes before you start drilling so that your drill bits don't wander. The only other two tools that are going to be necessary, of course, are a hammer and a screwdriver to install it.